Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn chapter 7 cubes and cube roots. So, you know what is meant by cube? Cube is a geometrical figure with all sides are equal. Otherwise, we can say that cube is a geometrical figure with the length, breadth, height are equal. But what is the cube of a number? Cube of a number is the number multiplied by itself how many times? 3 times. That is, if a number is multiplying by itself 3 times, then we can say that it is a cube, or we are saying that the numbers are perfect cube numbers. Perfect cube numbers. Now I just go to the table. The table is the number and the cube. Here the number 1 cube is equal to 1, 2 cube is equal to 8. Like that I find out the numbers, cube of the numbers. 10 cube is equal to 1000. Now just go through the unit digit of the numbers. All the digits are there. 1, 2, 3 up to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. All the digits are there in the unit digit of the cube of the numbers. Now just check how many perfect cube numbers are less than 100. So look, 5 cube is equal to 25, but 64, 27, 8, 1, these numbers are less than 100. There exist only 4 numbers, 4 perfect cube numbers in between, less than 100. Then, and how many perfect cube numbers are less than 1000? Only 10 perfect cube numbers are less than 1000. So 4 perfect cube numbers are less than 100 and 10 perfect cube numbers are less than 1000. Now which are the numbers less than 1000? That is 1, 8, 27, 64. The other number are the table from there. Now just go through the other table. That is the table that I explained the perfect cube of the other numbers 11 to 20. Now just again go through the unit digit. 1 is there, 2 is here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is also here and a 0. So every digit, all digits are from 0 to 9, all digits are in the unit digit. So we are not able to identify a given number is a perfect cube or not by examining its unit digits. That is only possible in the case of perfect square. So we can find out the unit digit of the cube of the numbers. We will check the number 1. 11 cube, unit digit is 1. What is the unit digit of the perfect cube number? That also 1. 12 cube, the unit digit is 2 and in the perfect cube it is 8. Why 8? 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. Then 13 cube. So unit digit is 3 here, but in the perfect cube it is 7. 3 3s are 9 3s are 27. And here 4. Here also 4. Why? 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64. 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125. Therefore, cube numbers unit digit is 5. Then its cubes unit digit is also 5. What about 6? 6 also. Numbers unit digit is 6. Cubes unit digit is also 6. In 7 it is 3. If unit digit of number is 7, then cube is 3. Then 18 cube, that is 2. Unit digit is 2. So cube of the number is, if the number's unit digit is 8, cube of the unit digit is, cube's unit digit is 2. 19 cube, 9 there, and 20 cube, 0 there. So find the ones digit of each of the following numbers. So here also I am just doing 2 questions. The rest questions you have you are supposed to complete from your try these questions from the books. Try these questions, page number 111, page number 111. Try these questions. You are supposed to do first two questions. I am going to do, that is 3 3 3 1, the whole cube. Unit digit here is 1. The unit digit of cube also 1. Unit digit of the cube number is also 1. Then 8888, the whole cube, the unit digit is, the number's unit digit is 8, and the unit digit of the cube is also, cube is 2 there. Okay. Now there are some patterns like there in the cube also. We are having some patterns. Just go through the pattern and you are supposed to do the question then. So just look, we have 1 is equal to 1 cube. I am just writing the cube as writing the sum of odd numbers. 2 cube is 8, that is 5 plus 3 or 3 plus 5. 3 cube is 27, 7 plus 9 plus 11. And 4 cube is equal to 64. From after 11 it is 13 we started. 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. 4 odd numbers are there. Therefore 4 cube 64. And 5 cube is equal to 21 plus 23 plus 25 plus 27 plus 29. That is 125. 31 plus 33 plus 35 plus 37 plus 39 plus 41. That is 6 odd numbers from 31. 6 cube 216. So you do the next part. 7 cube, that is, we will start from 42. Then we need how many numbers? 7 odd numbers. Okay. And exercise, you have to do the try these questions from page number 11 also by yourself. Okay, try these questions, page number 11. Page number 111. Then one more pattern is there. That pattern also I am going to explain. The pattern is, look here. Here we have 2 cube minus 1 cube is equal to 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 3. 1 plus 2 into 1 into 3. 1 everywhere it is starting from 1, and 2, 3 is also there common, then 2 into 1. Like that you just go through the pattern. Look, we have 3 cube minus 2 cube. 1 plus 3 into 2 into 3. 4 cube minus 3 cube. 1 plus 4 into 3 into 3. 5 cube minus 6 cube. 1 is common there in every. 1 plus 5 into 6. 1 plus 5 into 6 into 3. This is 1 plus 5 into 6 into 3. Using the above pattern, you are supposed to do the questions from the page number 111 itself. Okay, then just go through what is the meaning of cube. I explained what is meant by cube. Cube means, cube is a number multiplied by itself how many times? 3 times. Okay, that means just go through 4 cube is equal to, we have 4 into 4 into 4, that is 2 cube into 2 cube. 6 cube is equal to 2 into 3 the whole cube, 2 cube into 3 cube. And also we have 10 cube is equal to 2 into 5 the whole cube, therefore 2 cube into 5 cube. 14 cube is equal to 2 into 7 the whole cube, 2 cube into 7 cube. Each prime factors appears 3 times in a cube number, that is in a perfect cube number. Each prime factors appears 3 times. And if the prime factorization in a prime factorization of a number, each prime factor is not appearing 3 times, then we can say that it is not a perfect cube. How will you check a number is perfect cube or not? We are just prime factorizing it. Then we are going to check each prime factor is appearing 3 times, then it is a perfect cube. Otherwise, it is not a perfect cube. So, first question, we are going to check the following numbers. We are going to check the following numbers which are perfect cube. Check whether the following numbers are perfect cube. So, first question is 216. 216, I am just prime factorizing. You are getting 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. There are 2 prime factors. Which are the prime factors? 2 and 3. Both the 2 and 3 appearing how many times? 3 times. So, we can say that 216 is equal to 2 cube into 3 cube. Therefore, it is a perfect cube. Now, just go through another question, that is your 128. Look, 128, that is equal to 2 cube into 2 cube into 2, and I just made into there is only prime factors 2 and 2 appearing 3 times again 1 time, and grouping it into the triplet, and 2 is remaining out. It has no other group. It has only there. We are not able to make it into the group of 2. 2 is left out. Therefore, it is not a perfect cube. So, try to do the questions from your. Try these questions. Page number 112. There are 7 questions, and these 3 questions 3375, 2025 and 10648. Now we are going to do there in the class. The rest other questions you are supposed to do it as homework.